To see this species, you know, it's hairs on the back of the neck moment. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. We could have potentially 300 pairs. In the past decade, we've only had, you know, less than 10 pairs, if that. Day in, day out in the nature of my work, I see dead birds of prey, and it's still as shocking as the first day I started the job. Being poisoned, being shot, it's just a destruction of life, and for anyone to just sit there and allow that to be acceptable is beyond me. I live and breathe birds of prey, so to see that the birds you absolutely cherish disappear in the hands of mindless, you know, destruction, there's no words that really do it justice. It's hard to take in. It's illegal, it's immoral, and it's indefensible. It needs to stop. Bird of prey persecution is a national disgrace. With more support and more money, we can get even more boots on the ground to catch the killers.